The possibility of giant objects lurking in space and threatening to destroy our entire solar system is a concept that has fascinated scientists and theorists alike for decades. It's a mind-boggling idea that sparks both curiosity and concern. Just how vulnerable are we to these cosmic behemoths? When it comes to giant celestial objects, there are a few major concerns that come to mind. For one, black holes are notoriously destructive, capable of warping spacetime and consuming entire stars. Then there are massive asteroids, some of which are large enough to cause extinction-level events if they were to collide with Earth. And let's not forget about the mysterious entities known as fast radio bursts, or FRBs, which are capable of releasing energy equivalent to billions of suns. The potential risks posed by these giant objects are very real, and scientists are constantly on the lookout for any signs of potential threats. With our current understanding of the universe, it's difficult to say for certain just how many giant objects are out there, waiting to be discovered. And even when we do discover them, it's often too late to do anything about it. After all, the universe is vast, and we can only observe so much of it at any given time. But what if I told you that there are ways to detect these objects, even when they're hiding in the vast expanse of space? By monitoring the subtle effects they have on nearby stars and planets, we can piece together a rough idea of where these objects might be lurking. It's a painful process, but one that could ultimately mean the difference between life and death for our entire solar system. Take, for example, the giant asteroid known as Apophis. This behemoth is about 1,100 feet in diameter, making it one of the largest near-Earth asteroids in existence. Back in 2004, scientists initially thought it had a 1 in 37 chance of impacting Earth in the year 2029, a prospect that sent shockwaves throughout the scientific community. Thankfully, further observations revealed that the threat was minimal. But the prospect of a giant asteroid wiping out our planet was a sobering reminder of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Then there's the case of Oumuamua, an interstellar object that shot through our solar system back in 2017. This bizarre entity was unlike anything we'd ever seen before. It was long and thin, resembling a giant cigar, and it accelerated at an incredible rate as it hurtled through the cosmos. While most scientists believe it was simply a comet or asteroid from another star system, others speculate that it could have been an alien spacecraft or probe sent to explore our corner of the universe. The truth is, we may never know for certain, but the mystery surrounding Oumuamua is a potent reminder of just how much we still have to learn about the universe. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are another intriguing example of giant objects that continue to baffle scientists. These mysterious entities release an enormous amount of energy in the form of radio waves, which can be detected from millions of light-years away. While most FRBs are thought to originate from cataclysmic events such as supernovae or neutron star collisions, some scientists believe they could be evidence of advanced alien technology. Whether or not that's true remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. FRBs are a powerful reminder of the awe-inspiring forces that shape our universe. One of the most compelling theories regarding a giant object that could pose a threat to our solar system revolves around a hypothetical entity known as Planet 9. This mysterious planet is thought to be hiding in the outer reaches of our solar system, its massive size and gravitational influence affecting the orbits of nearby planets and celestial bodies. While some scientists believe it could be nothing more than a statistical anomaly, others think it could be a real, tangible object, one that could potentially upend our entire understanding of the solar system. The possibility of a giant object wiping out our entire solar system is a sobering reminder of just how small and vulnerable we are in the grand scheme of things. But it's also a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, our ability to explore, to discover, and to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. By probing the mysteries of the universe, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of existence itself. If you want to explore more mind-blowing theories and mysteries of space, be sure to check out my other video on black holes and the origins of the universe. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the most fascinating aspect of giant celestial objects?